بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today our lesson is same, second lesson plants, but our today's topic is types of roots and functions of roots. Now first we'll look at types of roots. Yesterday we have learned what is a root. Root is a part of a plant that grows below the ground. Root is a part of a plant that grows below the ground. Now roots are of two types. Okay. First is taproot. And second one is fibrous root. Roots are of two types. First is taproot, second one is fibrous root. Now I'll tell you about them. We'll write some bullet points about them. Taproot. Taproot is a type of a root. It is made up of a thick main root from which small roots grow out. It is a thick main root from which small roots grow out or come out. Okay. Okay. Now, what is fibrous root? Fibrous root it looks like a bush. It is a root. I'll just explain you taproot first. See, this is the stem of a plant. Root will be below the ground. So taproot here it is telling it is a thick main root. By thick main root we will say one big main thick root will come, out of which from which small roots will grow. Okay, this is a taproot. Taproot is a thick main root. This is the thick main root, out of which or from which small roots grow out. From the thick main root, small roots will come out. Okay. Roots will grow just when the ground is starting, just below the base of the stem. This area where the stem is ending and the root is starting, we will mention it as base of stem. Okay. Now taproot, again we'll repeat what is taproot. Taproot is a thick main root from which small roots will grow out. Now next we'll look into fibrous root. Fibrous root is it looks like a bush. It does not have a main root but many tiny roots. What it is? Let's see. It is having main root, it is not having main root. Does not have a main root. Does not have a main root. And so what it is having? Many small roots. Here from the main root, small roots are coming out. But in fibrous root, directly from the base of the stem, small roots will come out. Small roots grow from base of the stem. How? Just look here. This is the ground. This is the ground. This is the stem. Now what is the base of the stem? Is where the stem is finishing the ground and from where the roots will start. So here does not have a main root. Here main root was there. This does not have a main root. What it is having? It is small roots grow from the base of the stem. That is directly from here many roots, a bunch of roots like a bush, it will come out. Many. Directly. See here the difference. You see the difference between both. Here one main root is coming long, out of which small root hair are coming out. Here directly from the stem a bush like a bunch of root is formed. Okay. This is these are the two type of root, taproot and fibrous root. I'll just read about them. A taproot is made up of one thick root. Look here. A A taproot is made up of one main thick root, out of which small roots come out. Okay? Now, fibrous root. A fibrous root, it looks like a bush. It does not have a main root, but many small tiny roots grow from the base of the stem. Many small tiny roots grow directly from the base of the stem. Now, I'll just show you one live example. See here. Are you able to see? See, this is the root. In this, I hope you can see. This is the base of the stem. Okay? From that base of the stem, a long line is going. This is the main root. From the base of the stem, this is the whole plant. Where I am holding is the base of the stem. I'll just show you. It will be much clearer. Now, this long main root, one main fat thick root you can see, that is the main root. And from that main root, small roots are coming out. See here. From that main root, small roots are coming out. Those are small roots. In the middle thick part going till down, long one is the main root, from which small roots are coming out. So this kind of root is called as taproot. This kind of root is called taproot. It is having one long main root from which small roots are coming out. I hope you can see. Observe it. Now next I'm having is fibrous root. Now look here. This is a fibrous root. This is the main stem. This is the base of the stem where I am holding. See here, the plant is ending here. This will be till the ground. Here directly the roots are starting. So I'll hold it like this so you can see. Now see here, there is no one big main root. There is no one thick long main root. Directly from the base of the stem, there is a bunch of small roots which is looking like a bush. Can you see the difference? See here. See the difference. This is bunch of roots directly from the base of the stem. This is a long main root from the base of the stem, out of which small roots are coming out. See the difference. This is taproot. This is fibrous root. I explained like this, so I'll hold it also like this only. Okay? Taproot, fibrous root. Taproot, fibrous root. Taproot will have one thick main long root from which small roots are coming out, and fibrous root is directly from the base of stem. A bunch of small roots will come out. It looks like a bush. Now, next topic will go for functions of roots. Okay, we are going to learn about two main functions of the root. The first main function is they fix the plant in the soil. What do you mean by this? Roots fix the plant in the soil. Okay, now look here. For example, this is the plant over here. Okay, now this plant, suppose my hand is a ground. If I'll keep the plant directly on the ground like this, it will fall down. It will not grow. It will not hold itself. It will not get a support. It will fall down like this. But if, just imagine my hand is the ground, and if I'm putting this, planting the plant in the ground like this, this is the ground, this is the soil. Just imagine this is the soil and the roots are inside the soil. So if the roots are inside the soil, the plant will get the support and it will stand still. But if we are pulling the plant out of the ground and we'll keep it like this, it will fall down and it will not grow. It will not get any support. So that is why we are saying the roots fix the plant in the soil. Roots fix the plant in the soil. If we take out, it will fall down and it will eventually die. So roots fix the plant in the soil is the first function. Second, they help the plants to absorb water and minerals from the soil. They help the plant to absorb water and minerals from the soil. Okay, now just for example, take a glass of water and or a box of juice. Okay, if you, when you have to drink the box of juice, what you will do, you'll put a straw in that and you will suck the straw. The box will be here, you'll put a straw, and when you'll suck the straw, the water or the juice will go into your mouth. Like that only, from the soil, when we water the plants, we'll put the water in the soil. That soil will absorb the water, and from the roots, these roots act like a kind of a straw. They absorb the water and minerals that are present in the soil and they pass it to the other part of the plant. Okay, this is the root. They absorb the water and minerals and they pass to different part of the plant, like leaf or a flower or a fruit. Like this, they pass all the minerals and water to different parts of the plant so that they can grow and so that they can prepare their own food. Okay, let's revise. What is taproot? There are two types of roots. Taproot. Taproot has a thick main root from which small roots grow out. Thick main root from which small roots will come out. Fibrous root does not have a main root and small roots grow from the base of the stem. Directly from the base of the stem, small roots will grow in a form of bunch. Here one big main root will be there from which small roots are coming out. Now, functions of root. There are two main functions of roots. Roots fix the plant in the soil. They help the plant to absorb water and minerals from the soil. Okay? Thank you.